Hey everyone, welcome to Look Studio by Gale Reports. Today I'm excited to show you how to convert currencies in Google Sheets by using a specific date. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know how to fetch historical exchange rates and calculate converted values directly in your spreadsheet, perfect for expense tracking, financial reports, or just satisfying your curiosity about past currency trends. Let's jump right in. I've got a sample table set up here. You've got columns for the date, the source currency, the target currency, the amount you want to convert, and two extra columns for the rate and the converted amount. This is a super flexible setup, so you can expand it for all sorts of currencies and dates. The first thing to tackle is pulling in the exchange rate for a specific date. In your conversion rate column, the E column, click into the first empty row next to your data. Here's the formula you'll want to use. Equals index Google Finance currency, and B2 and C2 price A222. Let's break that down so you know exactly what's happening under the hood. The part B2 and C2 is simply combining your from currency and to currency. For example, USD and PHP become USD PHP just as Google likes it. The A2 is bringing in your date, which asks Google for the currency rate on that asterisk specific day. GOOGLEFINANCE then pulls a little table and index. 22 basically says, okay, deliver me just the actual rate number at the intersection of row 2, column 2 from that table. It's kind of like ordering off a menu and specifying not just the dish, but exactly how you want it presented. A quick heads up, sometimes GOOGLEFINANCE can't get very old data or might miss weekends and public holidays. If you run into an error, don't worry, just try nudging the date forward or backward by a day or two to find when markets were open. Now, once your conversion rate appears, you'll want to use that to get your converted amount. In your spreadsheet's F column, for each row, enter the formula equals D2 asterisk E2. That's simply multiplying your amount by the fetched conversion rate. For example, if you have 100 USD and the rate to PHP on that date is 55.12, Google Sheets will magically show you 5,512 PHP. Real-time finance at your fingertips. If you have multiple conversions, here's a tip to save you boatloads of time. Just drag the lower right corner of the formula cell down. Your formulas will automatically adjust for each row. It's like setting up a domino chain. Do it once and let Sheets do the heavy lifting for the rest. One last housekeeping detail. Your numbers might look a bit messy at first, maybe no currency sign or a bunch of decimal points. Highlight the conversion rate and converted amount columns, then right-click and choose Format as Number or Format as Currency. This makes your data much easier to read and presents it beautifully if you ever need to share this report. Remember, GOOGLEFINANCE updates in real time, so if you reopen your sheet, rates might refresh and change based on what's available. And again, don't stress if you hit a blank sometimes. Market data simply isn't there for certain days, especially weekends, holidays, or very old dates. And that's it. Now you can convert any amount of currency on any past date right inside Google Sheets. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a like. Feel free to drop any questions or share your use cases in the comments. I love hearing how you're using these tips. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more smart tutorials straight from Look Studio by Gale Reports. Thanks for watching and happy calculating.